screw up clips or not. I just, as usual, fell off the vlogging wagon. But I think I got some clips of me going up to my daughter. I think I got clips of me going down to see my daughter, and maybe clips of her room. I really honestly don't even remember at this point. We did not get her room finished, so I guess I'll give you guys an update. And sorry that if you hear the AC blowing, but it's Texas in August, and that means melting. And I will show you, even my car melted. Yes, I will show you guys in a minute. We did as much as we could here, and you know, from experience from moving her in last year, in the stores there and everything, I knew that we needed to get as much as possible here because, you know, it's a college town, and everyone's trying to do the same thing and buy the same things and all of that stuff. So, and we actually, by the time I got there, the majority of everybody had already moved in because school was starting. But like I mentioned in a previous vlog, the whole thing about the apartment not being ready, let me tell you, they labeled that apartment that it was all sanitized and cleaned. You guys, it was not. It was not. I had to clean so much. I was the first parent there, by the way, out of all the roommates. And so anyhow, the room just did not get done because we did not get absolutely everything. And you know, it was like I didn't have an address. Like, we didn't know the address at all. We didn't know, we were not given the apartment number. Even on signing the lease, they don't give you the actual address. I don't know why they do it like that, but anyway, so it wasn't like I could ship stuff there ahead of time. So once we got there, you know, we thought maybe we'll get the stuff at Target or here or there. And yeah, so I ended up having to order her lamp and 2 decorative pillows from Target online, but she'll get those in a couple of days. And then I had to order her bookshelf from Amazon, which she'll also get in a couple of days. And the other thing that happened is her TV was too wide for the dresser. There's only one piece of furniture in there that the TV could fit on, unless obviously you mount it on the wall, which I did not want to do that whole thing. And so when we set her TV up, the legs of the TV stand were wider than the dresser, and so the TV couldn't sit on the dresser properly. So luckily, thanks to Amazon, I found a universal stand that she can reattach to the TV. And yes, but she'll have to do that without me, so hopefully she'll get some help from her friends and figure all that out. I will show you guys in a second when I get home how my car melted. I literally grabbed right here, and this part right here was like clay, like just, I don't know, just bad. And when I pulled this, I pulled chunks of black off of it from the heat, because that's how hot it was. Anyways, I just stopped by at Dollar Tree and Market Street. I'm back to my smaller grocery hauls because, you know, it's just for me. And I'll show you guys that as soon as I get back to the house. Actually, for today's video, I think it's just gonna be the haul, because I also have a grocery haul that I placed an order last night from Walmart, but I don't get to pick it up until 7 o'clock tonight. But that won't matter to you guys, because after this clip, you will see the haul from Walmart. So, I mean, I need to definitely clean out the fridge and do all that, but I'm gonna do a separate cleaning video for you guys that will follow. I really don't know. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into the haul from Market Street. I carried in the, look at that, I carried in the cinnamon rolls upside down and they got smushed, but that's all right. and I'm starving. I didn't even eat dinner last night because I got home yesterday, and I only ate breakfast yesterday. So, so I haven't really eaten anything. So I'm gonna have breakfast yet again. But then I also got this, which I absolutely love this. I don't always remember to buy this, but it is the Better Green Leaf, and I add it to my sandwiches. So good. I ordered the tomatoes from Walmart, so, but I do like tomatoes with my sandwich as well. I got Munster cheese. I've really been on Munster cheese for a while now. I love it. It's not like that. I hate blue cheese. Like, I don't like that. I feel like this is a nice mild style cheese, I guess you could say. I also got the guacamole. I've been into that too, which I'm glad because I need good fats like the avocado. Where's the L in that? I literally have no idea where there's an L in avocado. But anyways, what am I saying? My brain, I can't, I'm so tired. Just, you know, like the good fats from an avocado, and what a good way to consume that than through guacamole. You know, I really actually don't like avocados on their own. I feel like it makes my stomach queasy for some reason. I don't know why that is. Does anyone else experience that with it? But when it's in the form of guacamole, I'm okay. I got 2 of the parfaits as well. And then I got myself my turkey, my honey maple turkey, boar's head. It's my favorite cut. And then I did pick up skirt steak. I also ordered it from Walmart, but because my order isn't gonna be ready until 7, because it was the only time left to pick up for today, they haven't finished filling my order, and I didn't know, you know, if the skirt steak I ordered over on Walmart would be available, so I just picked up another one. Honestly, I shouldn't be eating this much red meat, but listen. And then the last thing are just the chips. I love these chips. They're really good, and I'll have it with the avocado or the guacamole. So obviously smaller in comparison to what you guys see because my daughter is now not at home. Also, because I promised you guys I'd show you what happened, this is what happened. This whole thing, which is hard, it's hard now, almost like a plastic. As you can see, it just has all of these marks, and now I understand, because at first I was like, why are all of these marks happening on my car? And it's during the heat, the summertime, when my nails like dig in because this gets soft. And so I went to close the door, and I'd like 2 of my fingers pulled right here, and literally it just came off like Play-Doh, you guys. So this is Texas heat right here, when this turns into literally mush. It's 7:14 now, and I just got back from picking up my groceries from Walmart. So let's do the Walmart grocery haul. And just like I mentioned in the first part, the haul looks different because my daughter's not home. So this is basically what I got for myself. As I was placing this order from Walmart, I was on Pinterest where I have boards for like dinner recipes and things like that, and I hadn't looked at them in a really long time. So I popped back over there and decided that there was this one recipe I want to make, jambalaya. And I actually haven't made jambalaya in a very long time. So I got this Cajun style andouille smoked sausage. Am I saying that right? Probably not. The bacon is for when I make pasta carbonara. Have I done a recipe tutorial on this channel? I don't know. But I'm gonna try to make it a goal that every time I make dinner, even if you guys have like already seen it, I'm gonna vlog it just in case you haven't seen it. So that's what the bacon is for. Then I have chicken breasts. I always get like the organic, free range, no antibiotics. Like, I'm really picky about my chicken, and I always go for this Harvest Land that's sold here in the South. I don't know if it's sold everywhere else, but this I will use to do the lemon chicken that I've been doing a lot lately. And I may use another slice of the chicken breast for Cajun chicken pasta, which is a recipe I've done on this channel. I'll link it down below. It is so good. You will not be disappointed. But yeah, because it's just me and there's 2 chicken breasts, one for one dinner and one for the other. My skirt steak was in stock, but that's fine. Now I have 2, one from Market Street, one from Walmart, and I will just freeze one of them. And then I decided I was in the mood for prosciutto, which is just an Italian ham, basically, and it is so good. I just eat it raw, straight up as a snack. I did get some cough drops, just because you guys know my cough is flaring up again, and this is just for when I'm in public to kind of like keep me quiet so, you know, I don't freak people out. And then I did get pineapple juice. There's so many amazing benefits to pineapple juice. Definitely look it up. And yeah, so I got that. I drink it straight up, like I love it. And then I got my thin spaghetti. It's supposed to be for carbonara. I also ordered my Alfredo sauce, like my cheat way of doing carbonara, but it wasn't in stock, so I'll have to go like back to Market Street or something to get it there because Walmart didn't have it. I did get milk. I only use milk for my coffee, so that's that. I did get diced tomatoes. This is gonna be for the jambalaya. Everything else for the jambalaya I already have, like the rice. This recipe calls for shrimp and chicken, but I'm just gonna do the sausage and the shrimp, I think. And then I got onions. I got a red onion, a yellow onion, and a white onion. I think the red onions are my favorite, but I just got all 3 for like different things. I think the white or yellow goes with this one, and I'll use this one when I do my skirt steak. And then I got some more garlic, and then I got my bell peppers, which, you know, if you're new to my channel, I love bell peppers. They also have crazy good health benefits as well. So red, green, and yellow. Those are the 3 I usually go for. I rarely go for orange. I don't know why, but I need to start picking up orange again. I got just 3 little bananas because sometimes I'll notice that with fruit, I just don't grab for them as much as I should. I got my broccoli florets. Love these. You know, I add them to a sheet pan, drizzle with salt, pepper, olive oil, and then I'll add my peppers, I'll add some sliced onions, the garlic. Yeah, so I've shown that on my channel before. And then I got the tomatoes on a vine. These are for my sandwiches. I love these for those. And that's pretty much it, because that's what I eat. You know, I eat, like you saw earlier, my cinnamon rolls for breakfast, if I even eat breakfast sometimes, and then sandwiches for lunch, and then steak, chicken, pasta. It's pretty much my routine. However, I'm not actually eating dinner tonight because I ate that late, and then I ended up making a sandwich off camera. I ate that late, so I'm actually still kind of full from my sandwich. Show you guys your daily dose of Loxie. There she is, being a good girl. And I'm actually watching The Brady Bunch, so I just want to report that I'm onto something new, which this is on Amazon Prime, but I decided to do the 30-day free trial of the channel CBS, and they have amazing TV shows on there. After 30 days is over, it'll end up being like $5.99 a month. Doesn't matter, I get to watch this basically whenever I want. So I just thought I'd let you guys know in case you have Amazon Prime. And yeah, so anyways, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.